Hello everyone. In our previous video, we've gone through with what is Lakehouse and how to create a Lakehouse. Also, how to upload files into Lakehouse. In this video, we are going to learn about how to load data from files into a table, into a Lakehouse table. Let's see how to load data from files into a Lakehouse table in practical session. Let's go into, yeah. So here we are in the Lakehouse. Within the learning workspace, we have a My Lakehouse. So let's go into the My Lakehouse. Right. In the file section, I already have two files. And in tables, I don't have any tables. So let's see how we can load this CSV file into My Lakehouse tables. So click on these three dots and you have a straight away a feature called load to tables and click new table, or if there are any existing table, this existing table will also be enabled for you and you can load into the existing table as well if you already have any tables existed. So as I don't have any tables existed already, so I'll go with loading the data into table, new table, and yeah, let's give a different name, collisions. And yes, as this is a CSV file, I'll use header for column names, and also I have to specify what is the separator character and click load. And it's loading. Here you can see the status of whether it's loading or loading is completed whatsoever. In the note here you can see it is successfully created a collision table. Fantastic. So there you can see, you can already see a table under the folder table is created as in the name of collisions table, and here you can see all the column names of that table. And when you click on the table, you can see the data actually existed in that table, which is obviously loaded from our CSV file. So it's loading. There you can see all the data loaded from CSV file into the table, and all the headers are converted as my column names. And all the data is separated as per the separator I mentioned for the CSV file. And yes, this is how we can upload data from Lakehouse files directly into Lakehouse tables. Right. Now we have seen how to upload a file into a new table. Let's also see how to upload a file into existing file. As we already have a collision table existed. Let's see to upload data into this existing table called collisions. Click on the files. Click on the file that you want to load into table and click the three dots, load into table, and now you can see existing table is enabled, right? So let's click on existing table, and here it gives us an option to select tables from the list of tables that existed. So currently I have only one table existed, collisions. Click on collisions, and it will ask you an option whether to append the data to the existing data in the table or to override the data. That means like to replace the data that is existing in the table. So at the moment, I want to go with override option. So yes, and then yeah, again, it will ask you for whether to consider headers as a column names, and you have to give the separator and click load. And you can see the status here. There we go. It's successful. Let's see. Right. Yeah, as we can see, like it's simply replace the existing data with the new data. And this is how we can upload data into new table as well as into an existing table, and also with the options whether to append or override depending on our requirement.